Captain, we have an emergency. The engine room is flooding and we are losing power.
Sound the general alarm. All crew to emergency stations.
Aye, Captain.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Bila. MB Bila, MB Bila. Call sign Delta, X-ray, Kilo, Yankee, Lima, Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. Mayday. This is MB Bila. Call sign Delta, X-ray, Kilo, Yankee, Lima, Alpha. MMSI number 548762000. Position 15 degree 36 minutes north, 125 degree 36 minutes east. We are taking on water and require immediate assistance. Over.
This is Rescue Coordination Center, RCC in Bibila, Manila. Copy your distress call. What is your current situation, sir?
We are listening to port. Engine room is flooded and we have 8 crew on board, including the captain and the seatmate, requesting immediate evacuation.
All crew, prepare to abandon ship. Chief officer ensure all lifeboats and life rafts are ready for deployment.
Aye, Captain. All crew on your life raft and proceed to officer station.
Radio officer, update RCC on our situation.
RCC, this is MB Bila. We are abandoning ship. Our last known position is 15 degree 39 minutes north, 125 degree 36 minutes east. Over.
This is RCC. I understood the standby for rescue operation. Stay on channel 16.